Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're going to be installing the carbon fiber front splitter or lip, whatever you want to call it. We're going to be putting this on. First thing what we're going to have to do, I test fitted it. It's, needs a little adjustment, so we're going to heat this up in order to kind of mold it to that front bumper. Then you get a gun, just kind of heat up the backside in order to mold it better to the front bumper. We're gonna kind of mock it up with some tape, see how it looks mounted. So we need to get this on all the way tight. So you can see it's a little off, so I need to readjust this, heat it up a little bit here and kind of stretch it out a little bit, because it's just Alright, after some heating up with the gun and some adjusting, you can see I have it mocked up right now, and that's how it's gonna fit. Just got it taped up on the sides and stuff, so you can see here. Let's take a look from the front end here. You can see here, I have it mocked up. I think the 3M tape will pull those little gaps a little tighter. You can see that there. That's how it's gonna sit. Alright. Next, what we need to do is put some 3M tape on all the contact parts, and we're gonna put some self-tapping screws from under just to hold it on securely. So let's get that going. So now I'm going to clean all the contact points. Now I'm just going to take some soap and water and clean all the contact points so the 3M tape sticks good. Alright, now that that's drying, let's go put some 3M tape on the carbon fiber piece so we can put it on and clamp it and get it all nice and pretty. Alright, so here's the moment of truth. Let's see how this works. Alright, so we cleaned up everything, all of our contact points. Now we're going to grab this, kind of line it up to where we want it to sit. Be very careful. As you can see, I'm hitting everywhere. We want to go right. Want to go right there. So we're gonna try to get this to clamp down. Don't want to go too hard. Don't want to break the carbon fiber. You want to get some kind of contact here. Oof, it's way off. Yikes. Let's hope we can get this off now, because it's off. Woo! I want to break that. Shit. This needs to be over more. Looks about right. So maybe we need to heat this up a little bit or something. I don't know. Close this gap here. Alright, so now I jacked up the car in order to get under and install the self-tapping screws. Bring it up. Right there. Go there, put one, we'll get another one further down. Just gonna put 4 in, this should hold. Find where I put my drill. I bought 6 just in case, but I think I'm gonna go with 4. I think that's sufficient. Not the smartest thing I just did, but it worked. Ah. Let's not put myself right under, for all the shrapnel to fall right in my eye. Maybe put one in the middle, why not? So we got them all in. Now we can adjust the top and be done. Alright, that's it for today's video. As you saw, I put on the carbon fiber front lip for the M3. It heated it up and we were able to kind of put it on there with the 3M tape, and we put some self-tapping screws from under. We got it tightened up real good. Maybe I might end up readjusting it, heating it up a little more so I can get it on there a little tighter fit. Use maybe the Gorilla tape instead of the 3M, the clear Gorilla tape. Flies. And that's about all. So like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.